You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more names from ancient Greece, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. You can learn from Greek. It's Alcibiades, but in English the pronunciation is totally different. An Athenian statesman and general, Alcibiades is how you pronounce it. I know it's very different. Alci, all right. The C is pronounced like an S. Alcibiades. That's the correct official English pronunciation. How to pronounce Alcibiades, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.